This is the exercise for those of you who suffered from acute Achilles injury or an operation. This is a light exercise to start off with. If the Achilles tendon is not ruptured, we can generally start strengthening quite early onwards. We do this by sitting, and we do heel raises in sitting position. We can place the other foot on top of the leg that we're working on. You can add extra weight on the ankle that you're working on. Make sure that you're lowering your heel down slowly. Noticing that this is a lot lighter exercise than, say, standing heel raises, especially single leg standing heel raises where there's a lot more weight on the ankle and the Achilles tendon that you have might not be ready for it. So it's stage specific. Coming back to sitting position, you want to make sure that your foot is not too far forward. You want to make sure that the working foot is right underneath the knee so that you can successfully do a heel raise, a proper heel raise. Again, I wanted to emphasize on slowly lower it down. It is important that you do not just let your heel drop down and thump down onto the floor. Focus on slow lowering because that's the phase where you are strengthening the Achilles tendon.